Hello student, today I am going to derive an expression for total energy of an electron in an orbit of hydrogen atom. You see the diagram, this is an atom having nucleus of charge Z, an electron of mass m moving with velocity v and having charge minus c. When electrons are revolving in this orbit, then what is the total energy of the electron? The total energy of an electron in nth orbit is the sum of its kinetic energy and potential energy in that orbit. So that is, we can write total energy of electron En equal to Kn plus Un. Kn is the kinetic energy in nth orbit, Un is the potential energy in nth orbit. As we know, expression for kinetic energy is half mv square. So Kn kinetic energy Kn equal to half mv square, where m is the mass of the electron, v is the velocity. Since the electron revolving in a circular orbit around the nucleus, then force between nucleus and electron provides centripetal force. This is the Coulomb's force. Coulomb's force between nucleus and electron provides centripetal force. That is why electron moving along a circular path. So according to Coulomb's law, as we know, F equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square. So here this formula will apply here. Then force between nucleus and electron is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught charge Ze and charge of electron E. We are writing magnitude and divided by square of the distance. So this force, this Coulomb's force provides centripetal force. Expression for centripetal force is mv square by r. R is the radius of the circular orbit. Therefore, you see r square r 1 are cancelled. So mv square equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Ze square by r. mv square, the value of mv square will substitute now here. Then Kn equal to half mv square 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Ze square by r. So we can write 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Ze square by 2r. So 2 I am writing here with r. Again, as we know, radius of the orbit F equal to 1 by radius of the orbit r equal to 4 pi epsilon naught n square s square 4 pi square mz square. This is the radius of the orbit. So we will substituting for r equal to 4 pi epsilon naught n square s square 4 pi square mz square. So Kn 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Z square to 4 pi epsilon naught n square s square by 4 pi square mz square. This 1 2 cancel, so 2 will be here. So this term will go to upside in numerator, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught and 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, so 1 by 4 pi epsilon whole square. So Kn equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught whole square. So 2 pi square will go outside, 2 pi square m z into z square e square into e square e to the power 4 is divided by n square h square. So this is the expression for kinetic energy of the electron. Now we will calculate potential energy of the electron. Let Un be the potential energy of the electron in nth orbit. To calculate potential energy of electron, users think this is a system, this atom, this is a system. This system is consisting of two charges, one charge of nucleus, another charge of electron. Expression for potential energy is U equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R. Means product of the two charges divided by distance. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into product of two charges divided by distance between the two charges. So we will apply this formula here. So potential energy of the electron of charge minus e revolving in a circular orbit of radius r around the nucleus of charge Z is given by Un equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught charge Q1 charge of the nucleus Zt plus Zt, and charge of the electron is minus e, minus small letter e, and their distance is r. U1 equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, minus sign writing front, and Z e square by r. Again we will substitute radius of the orbit r equal to 4 pi epsilon naught n square h square 4 pi square m Z e square. Therefore Un equal to minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Z e square by 4 pi epsilon naught n square h square 4 pi square m Z e square. So this term will go to numerator, z into z square e square into e square e to the power 4. So Un equal to minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 4 pi square m z square e to the power 4 by n square h square here. So this is the potential energy of the electron. As you know, total energy of the electron is the sum of kinetic energy and potential energy. Just we will add these two values. So adding equation 1 and 2. Our total energy of the electron in the nth orbit is given by total energy of electron in the nth orbit is given by En equal to Kn plus Un. Now substituting the value of Kn Un from equation 1 and 2. So kinetic energy 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught whole square 2 pi square m z square e to the power 4 by n square h square. Potential energy is minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught whole square 4 pi square m z square e to the power 4 divided by n square s square. So if you take common 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught whole square 2 pi square m z square e to the power 4 n square s square, we take common 1 minus 2 common, so 2 so 2 into 2 4, so 1 minus 2 is 1 minus 1, so en equal to minus and writing from 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught whole square 2 pi square m z square e to the power 4 by n square s square. So this is the total energy of the electron, of the revolving electron around the nucleus. For hydrogen atom, if you write for hydrogen atom z equal to 1, atomic number is 1, z equal to 1, so En equal to minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught whole square 2 pi square m e to the power 4 by n square s square. So this is the total energy of the electron in the one electrons revolving around the nucleus in the nth orbit in a hydrogen atom. Now I want to say a relation between kinetic energy and potential energy. Relation between kinetic energy and total energy and potential energy. Let's write kinetic relation between kinetic energy and total energy. So you see, if you see expression for kinetic energy is total energy is this one. This is the expression for total energy. The difference is total energy and kinetic energy only negative sign, minus sign. Kinetic energy is positive one value and total energy is negative. So if you put negative sign in front of total energy, if you put negative sign in front of total energy, that gives the kinetic energy. Again, relation between kinetic energy and potential energy. If potential energy, total energy is multiplied by kinetic energy is multiplied by minus 2, that gives the potential energy. If kinetic energy is multiplied by kinetic energy kn equal minus of, when kinetic energy is multiplied by minus 2, that gives the potential energy, expression of potential energy. So kinetic energy is multiplied by minus 2, that gives the potential energy. Thank you.